Sticks, so grind it. Grind that rotty, make it dusty. Chapati dreams. Weed berries popping, stones going crunch. Fluor so fine, but the machine got that hunch. Crusty on the outside, loyal to the core. Spits out a test that sticks to the floor. Crusty chapati grinder wearing through the night. Grind it, win it, make that dough take flight. Crusty chapati grinder older than your nan. Turn that wheat to flatbread, best in the land. Clank, 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 make the handle spin. Grind, 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 let the good times begin. Clank, clank, clank. Hear the handle spin. Grind, 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 let the good times begin. Andy says, Beta, why you use that junk? I say, Auntie G, this thing got soul and funk. It's got more character than your pressure cooker. One twist and it makes the whole neighborhood look up. Oil on the gears, some ghee in the mix. It coughs up clouds of flour like a dusty old trick. Roll it, toast it, watch the bubbles rise. Fuck so fuzzy, it brings tears to your eyes. Neighbors come knocking when they smell the smoke. Change pie, share that grinder, it's no joke. Kids on the crank, spinning like a storm. Floor on their faces, laughing through the swarm. It's seen broken handles and midnight repairs, but still grind stronger after all these years. From Ohio winters to summer heat waves, this crusty warrior never misbehaves. When the power goes out, no problem at all. Hand crank warrior answers the call. From Punch-Hole Fizz to my Ohio bleacher, this crusty rider keeps the green frigid.